The next one may be something special. I'm super excited about this. Yeah, that's cool. I think I'm done. I spent a whopping $2. Well, I had this.
$2. 5? Yeah. 2?
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Howdy. It's too hot out here for this.
Hey, yeah, a little bit. Not bad in the shade.
I don't know.
We're gonna have some more out tomorrow.
Okay. Yeah, I'll be back tomorrow. I came today because I thought if there's something super cool, I want to get there before everybody else, so.
Well, most of my super cool stuff will be here tomorrow because I just ran out of time last night to get it all loaded.
How much are the
t-shirts are
like that? All this.
That is $2.
Okay. I was going to try and hit more of them, but I don't know.
Yeah,
Thank you. I'm hoping I'll find something I can't live without.
I got some stuff in the zone back here too to sell.
Okay,
Some
well,
far sale,
I
some
had to
not.
have
I'd love to look.
Right back here.
Just,
and my mother made me go to the hospital and stay. Get off.
your backyard is gorgeous, by the way.
No, thank you. My sound too grassy. We're taking off over here.
Uh-huh.
Here, it's pretty. I don't know why, because I don't water because it costs too much to water.
Yo, you can't water right now.
So I don't do anything to it really, just rain.
Oh, look at this place. Holy smokes.
There's some stuff in there for sale and some's not. If you see something like
Wow. I have my camera on, but it won't hardly film in here because it's an outdoor camera.
oh,
And
Did you
so
film it?
it will some, but it's so dark. This place is spectacular. Wow. I don't know what I expected, but this was not it. We do a lot of vintage clothes. I do signs, but more like the old porcelain signs from back in the day.
Yeah,
Stuff
these
like
neon
that.
signs are really hard to
And
I wouldn't want to ship one of them things.
those can be valuable if they're old ones.
The bubble.
The lava lamps like that.
We got one here and one up there.
Yeah. World champion Miami Dolphins. Super Bowl pennant.
I'll ask her what she wants for it. It's not.
Yeah, and like I said, it won't hurt my feelings because if you're loving it, then it doesn't need to go home with me.
Misprint?
Yeah, or what do you want to call it?
It's not the right year.
Yeah, they didn't win then.
Oh.
It was.
That makes it worth more money.
It could. Maybe that's why I couldn't find it.
Right.
Well, except all of them that I look.
Yeah.
How much? Well, I'll take it if it's a mistake.
Yes.
It might be worth more money than a mistake.
Yes, I will take it for $5.
There's no extra charge for the cowboy.
I don't think that'll make any difference at all. Nah, I'll use like a lint roll. You got to kind of be careful with them so they don't.
That's a mistake.
Well, what it is, they print all these up before the game.
Yeah.
So that they're available 5 minutes after the game. So,
You're not supposed to sell them, I guess, after.
I mean, I'm going to spend more stopping and getting a soda and a snack than I will. Okay. Well, thank you guys. Good luck. What's going on, everybody? This is Scott, also known as Cha-Ching King, and I had a great day. Like, I went out to the sales this morning. Today's Friday. Most of the sales will start tomorrow. I wanted to go today to make sure that I caught any of those prizes that are out there before anybody else gets there. Let's take a look at what I got. At the first sale, not a big home run or anything like that, but I picked up a couple of these, and what these are, they're odor removers. Pretty much charcoal. And so like, but you can refresh these by putting them out in, you know, a bright sunny day and dry them out real good. But when you put these in your bins with the clothes, you can keep them from becoming mildewy. And if you have something that is a little bit fresh, you can put it in there and it'll remove a lot of the odors too. So we pick those up whenever we see them. I paid $1 for the pair. At the same sale, I picked up this belt buckle, and it is made from German silver. Not incredibly valuable, but a cool little belt buckle. I should easily get 15 or 20 for it, and it looks cool. Moving on to the other sales, I think they get better and better as we go. I picked up this barn jacket, and this is made by Orvis, and they charged me $2 for the barn jacket. At the same sale, they had this vintage Nike t-shirt from the Just Do It era. Here's the tag. It's got the center of the shoulders on the back. It's got stains. It's got holes. It's just a mess. $1. I would expect that this would bring 25, maybe even 35. So far, regular garage sales, regular finds. But the next one may be something special. I'm super excited about this. This is a football pennant. No big deal. You've seen a jillion football pennants. Let me tell you what's cool about this. This is the 1972 Dolphins game where they played the Dallas Cowboys. Bob Greasy was their quarterback. Roger Staubach was the Dallas Cowboys quarterback. This particular pennant is so rare that I can't find one anywhere because the Dolphins didn't win. The Cowboys beat them 24-3. The very same Cowboys pennant has sold before for $500, and I'll pop up a comp for it. The misprint, it's not even a misprint. What happens is, I'm sure all of you know that before a big game like this, they've already made all the pennants. No matter who wins, the pennants are ready to sell immediately upon the end of the game. The ones that are wrong, they get destroyed, except mine didn't. I picked this up off of a wall for $5. For $5. I'm super excited, have no idea what it's going to go for, but what I am going to do is I'm going to put this on an auction, not next week because I'll be out, but the week after that, I will put it on auction, and then we'll see how it goes, and I will post an update in a what sold video to come sometime after that. Post in the comments below what you think it'll go for. Do you think it'll go for the $5 that I paid? Do you think it'll go for the $500 that the Cowboys one brought? Or will it be worth nothing because nobody's interested in a misprint pennant? And if you like garage sales and estate sales and those kind of things, I've got a lot of great videos. In fact, this one is one of my favorites.